I'm Afra Tabassum and I am from the third batch of NICCS. I joined NICCS after I completed my undergraduate in psychology, and it was a point where I was looking to join my post-graduation in psychology. It so happened that I couldn't get in anywhere for my post-graduation, and that's when I found out about NICCS, and I did not give a second thought but straight up jumped into it. And it was very magical and it was a very beautiful decision I made in my life to join NICCS. Because it has shaped my life, it has changed my life in a very broad spectrum. Be it personally or be it professionally, it has impacted both the areas. In spite of being from a psychological background, I was in a place where I did not know how I would apply my theoretical knowledge in a practical setting. I did not know how do I see a client, where do I start, how do I question, how do I probe, how do I go about the session, how do I bring out the internal conflicts in a client. But NICCS has trained me in a way that I can do it in a systematic way and in a very professional manner. The best thing is NICCS is a course for not only people from a psychological background but also for people from a non-psychological background. So it's completely designed very beautifully to impart the practical knowledge. The NICS has professionally already given me a passage to start a career. I am doing my masters now, although I feel it's brought me to a place where I can start a career as a counselor now, and I am hoping for more improvements in the future after I finish my masters. And talking about how it has impacted my personal life is just extremely beautiful. NICS has helped me connect to myself. It has made me form a good relationship with self. Before I joined NICCS, I had a really distorted, a really lost, a really difficult relationship with self and people around me. It was very difficult for me to keep proper relationships with my friends, family, anyone around me. That is because I was so lost with myself. I was so disconnected with myself. I did not even know what was happening with me. Being able to be in touch with myself, being able to connect to myself has helped me connect to people around me. And it has changed the relationships around me, and it's been a very beautiful journey with NICCS.